what do we have here?
Have you checked this thing out before? Look at this
What?
car. Dude.
Whoa.
It has a second display. This is like Mercedes S-Class vibes.
But why do you want a second screen when you already have
that? Dude, it even says the trunk and the doors open, and it goes to side profile. Gives you everything you need to, like a regular car would. Dude.
But you already have that right here, so why do you need to see that again?
Horsepower, you can't see horsepower on the screen.
I don't need to. Guys, we have it in Model 3. We're doing an NVX audio boost kit installation. It makes the Model 3 audio sound even better than it does. For those of you that have a Model 3, you probably know this. The audio in this car is actually not that bad.
Hey, wait, you need a blender?
I'm okay. Thank you though. But with this kit, it's gonna make it even better. Like the bass is really gonna be booming. We've done this before on the S's. We've even done this before on the X. So we're excited to see what that sounds like for the Model 3.
We test it out first before we do it?
Okay. So it's even, okay.
Okay, so everything's even.
Everything's even.
Who knew your face being all across the news outlet?
There's barely any bass.
But it's not like...
It's not punching, it's not like bam, bam, bam. It's a subwoofer upgrade, or not even an upgrade, it's a subwoofer add-on. Because you keep your factory subwoofer, you just get another one. You get a stronger one, I guess you can say. This will go into that spot right there, that cubby that's built into Tesla. Carpet matches with your trunk carpet, so everything looks pretty much OEM. And then you have some like the wiring stuff here and there. So we're gonna be installing this and seeing what it sounds like. Are you excited, Dustin?
Sure.
Your excitement is just exploding out the seams.
Excitement's just exploding out of my mouth.
What?
It's all over me, bro.
Okay, before we get started,
Standard settings.
Standard setting. Okay, cool.
Ready?
Yes.
They're gonna die. We was out in Brambleton. We was both hurt when we seen how cute drop bitch. Said we knew the leg.
Alright, so ready to go.
I know the audio in this video doesn't do any justice to the improvement that we're hearing, so you're just gonna have to take our word for it. The bass before was pretty much non-existent, but now it's alive. It's so punchy, so clean, it's not muddy at all. Literally, night and day difference. And it's all wrapped up in this OEM-like setup that really doesn't take up much trunk space, and it matches so well with the carpet. If you love music, you're really gonna want to put this on the top of your wish list for your 3. It's easily the most fun thing you can do to it.